And you guys actually caught me in the middle of shopping for the biggest meal of my life. A flavor bomb in your mouth.
The newest member of the Food Network family is Amber!
So, how many of you have been asked the question, what do you want to be when you grow up? Yes, hands. I think a much better question to ask is, what are you passionate about? Today is the day I finally get to share with you my cookbook. Actually, what we do at home is we go like this. See,
Yeah, I'm down with that too, in Essex. Yes, I am.
It was so simple, too. We didn't even use a kitchen knife, you guys. Who says cooking has to be hard?
Pro.
And some of you might even start your own online cooking show. Like Amber Kelley, our winner from Washington State. You've been making the TV rounds, huh? Pretty spectacular.
I love Nashville.
Is this unusual?
I use coconut milk and fondue. One, I don't eat dairy because I'm a teenager and it makes me break out, and that's just a whole bad habit.
Me too.
But it's time for you to decide what's for dinner by taking over the kitchen for a night.
A culinary wizard is 12-year-old Amber Kelley.
Today I have an Oscar-worthy dish.
Look at this.
Is dark chocolate coconut black hole fondue.
Make your mark on the world.
My name is Amber, and this is how I make my mark. When I was in 2nd grade, I got teased because I had healthy lunches.
I'm Amber Kelley, Food Network star kid, and I have the honor of cooking with the chef, Alex Cornicelli.
I'll see you later.
All right, yeah, no, I'm going with you. Bye, thank you. Amber Kelley!
I don't get goosebumps that often. I could not tell you one thing right now that I would like you to do better than that.
You're just a total natural in front of a camera.
Your very first cooking segment, you were so nervous.
I was terrified.
How old were you?
I was 9, and I actually remember this really clearly. It was Wednesday, and my birthday was on Friday, so I was almost 10. I was almost 10.